If you find yourself logged out of your Wise account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Visit the Wise website. Go to the official Wise website. Make sure you're on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Sign In. Locate the Sign In button on the home page. Click on it to begin the login process. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Enter the email address associated with your Wise account. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password and regain access. Step 5. Verify your identity. Once you reset your password, you may need to verify your identity. Follow any additional prompts or provide requested information to confirm your identity and secure your account. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Wise account again. If you encounter further issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for additional assistance.